Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. In the 2024-2025 budget debate, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark announced plans to increase the capital threshold for companies listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The threshold will rise from 500 million Jamaican dollars to 750 million Jamaican dollars, pending an amendment to the Income Tax Act. Marlene Street Forrest, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, expressed optimism about the move's positive impact on the market and economy. This adjustment aims to energize the market, encouraging both existing and potential listed companies to engage more actively. The junior market, established in 2009, has seen several companies listed, but there are currently 48 active companies, with some, such as Lasco Manufacturing and Lasco Distributors, migrating to the senior market. Blue Power Group Limited for the 9 months ended January 31, 2024 reported a 1% decrease in revenue totaling $624.10 million compared to $633.39 million in the corresponding period last year. Cost of sales amounted to $382.08 million, coming down from the 2023 figure of $505.5 million, which represents a decrease of 24% year over year. As a result, profits from operations for the 9 months ended January 31, 2024 amounted to $109.78 million, a 722% increase relative to the $13.35 million reported in 2023. After taxes, net profit increased by 312% to $120.30 million, up from the 2023 figure of $29.20 million. JN Life Insurance Company Limited is reporting that it increased its share of the life insurance market in 2023 while recording creditable performances across its business lines. The company also increased its share of group life insurance, while its pension business, the JN Individual Retirement Scheme, also achieved a staggering 261% of its annual pension contributions target. Further underscoring the company's performance, General Manager of JN Life, Hugh Reed, explained that in 2023, the sales team broke its individual life historical sales records 3 times, similar to 2023, with a significant percentage of sales being generated as a result of the relationship with JN Bank. Reed shared that JN Life also set 3 new historical records in pension contributions. During trading on March 13, 2024, the top advancing stocks covered the media, entertainment, and real estate sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The Limners and Bars Limited shares advanced by 20.95% for a 31-cent price jump to close at $1.79 with 48,000 shares traded. Margaritaville Turks Limited shares advanced by 20% for a 2-cent price increase to close at 12 cents with 100 shares traded. 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited shares advanced by 13.61% for a 52-cent upward movement to close at $4.34 with 108,694 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 13, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the finance, food, and energy sectors. Epley Limited declined by 11.72% for a $4.61 price decrease to close at $34.72 with 22 shares traded. Caribbean Cream Limited declined by 10.77% for 42 cents price drop to close at $3.48 with 47,669 shares traded. Siboney Group Limited declined by 9.38% for a 12-cent price slippage to close at $1.16 with 12,251 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, Trading on March 13, 2024, registered a volume of 103 shares crossing the floor, the exchange valued at TT $1,172. Endeavor Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 63 shares, changing hands for a value of TT $932.40, followed by Cinnamon Limited with a volume of 40 shares being traded for TT $239.60. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 13, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $33.4 million was bought from Forex traders while US $20.1 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $155.56 and bought the US dollars for $154.33. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.23, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $6.81 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $116.44 and bought for $109.63. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $1.48, selling it for $197.88 and buying it for $196.40. For the credit report tip of the day, feeling hesitant about talking to bankers about your credit report? Well, instead of focusing on past financial setbacks or worrying about what might go wrong, shift your mindset to focus on the positive outcomes you want to achieve. Visualize yourself confidently discussing your financial goals with a banker and securing the funding you need to make those dreams a reality. Positive thinking can go a long way in boosting your confidence and motivation. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.